Hello everyone, I am Yunus Suterwala and today in this video we are going to talk about what is domain. Before we begin, if you still haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon and also do follow me on Instagram. Both the links are in the description box below. Domain name is the address of your website that people type in the search bar to visit your website. For example, if your website was a house, then your domain name will be its address. Now, let's get into the detailed explanation. Internet is basically a giant network of computers connected to each other through cables. To easily identify them, each computer is assigned a series of numbers called IP address. This IP address is a combination of numbers separated with dots. Typically, IP address looks like 66.249.66.1. Computers have no problem identifying and remembering these numbers. However, it is impossible for humans to remember and use these numbers to connect to websites on the internet. To solve this problem, domain names were invented. A domain name can have words which makes it easy to remember website addresses. Now, if you wanted to visit a website on the internet, you don't need to type a strange of numbers. Instead, you can type in an easy to remember domain name, for example, yunussuterwala.com.